Hi Cheska, happy 18th birthday. Happy birthday din daw, sabi ni Tita Jen. Dalaga ka na. Yung height mo, pambata pa din. Kung mag-alala, tatangkad ka din. Sayang, di kami naka-attend ng party mo. Anyway, wish ko lang, sana mag-aral ka mabuti. Makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Makakuha ka ng magandang trabaho at maging successful ka para matulungan mo mama mo at mga kapatid mo. Yun lang. Enjoy your party. Huwag mo pa iinumin ng alak si Lolo Ben at Lolo Dan mo, ha? Bawal. Enjoy kayo dyan. Miss ko na kayo. Ingat kayo palagi. God bless.
We're safe and sound. I can feel your cup. You know my river won't evaporate. This world we still appreciate. You could be my luck, even in a hurricane.
Ate Cheska, happy birthday! Love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Cheska! All the love to you from all of us here in Canada.
We're safe and sound.
Happy birthday.
You could be my luck, even if we're 6 feet underground. I know that we'll be safe and sound.
Cheska, thank you for being such a blessing, especially to your mom. Happy birthday and may you have many more birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi dyan at aral mabuti, okay? Kaya lang, malungkot ako dito dahil wala kami dyan. Pero huwag ka mag-alala, maybe next time, baka andyan ako, especially pagsapit ng yung wedding. Pero hindi pa pwede ngayon, ha? Masyado ka pang bata, okay? Pasensya ka na, naiiyak ako eh. Okay, again, happy birthday. Love you. Bye.
I can lift you up.